I think we need to bring one of those to Stovico. What do you think, Look? One. You think it'd be the new way to, as long as it's sunny though, it's the only trouble.
Yeah.
You could only start your fire.
I started the fire in like 5 seconds though.
Oh, I know, but we're saying like if it was at night, you know, and the sun's already really low. I don't know how well it would work.
We took some of that.
Boy, that light is hard to even look at.
Try to pine cone.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, catch pine cone on fire. Actually, I've done this.
It's a yeah. That's kind of
He got in trouble at school for taking the magnifying glass. He got the old Sears.
Pete, you always do the coolest stuff.
It was Dad's.
I know, but
In my garage. And then James,
well, what made you think to do
James
this?
said something the other, like the end of last year or whatever, and I thought, well, you know, and I started telling them, they go, wait a minute. We grabbed this thing, and we were by the back porch or whatever, and the plastic that I was trying to aim at, I really couldn't see where it was going, and all of a sudden the porch starts smoking.
And you're like, oh.
So Lydia don't see where I burned her porch.
That was fun.
You know, the back deck or whatever.
A little burn mark. Is that like shading with the broom?
Yes.
All right, take it.